Okay, proof Heron's formula for finding area of any triangles. Okay, that is Heron's formula. This one, area is equal to a square root of s into s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where okay s is equal to half of the perimeter, that is a plus b plus c over 2, and abc is the side length of any triangle. Okay, ስለዚህ ይሄንን ፎርሙላ እንዴት ፕሩፍ እናደርጋለን? Okay, so to prove this Heron formula, okay, በሁለት ወይ ፕሩፍ ማድረግ እንችላለን. The first one is by using cosine law, and the second one is by using pythagoras theorem ተጠቅመን ፕሩፍ ማድረግ ይቻላል. So let's prove it by using pythagoras theorem. Okay, just consider just any triangle. Okay, ለምሳሌ ይሄኛው any triangle, that is this one, just any triangle. Okay, and the side length is ይሄኛው side a ቢሆን, this one is b and this one is c. So let's pythagoras apply ስናደርግ ሄት ያስፈልገናል። ስለዚህ let's say this one is ቺኛዋ. Okay, let's consider this one is the height h. Okay, and assume the distance from this one to this is seriously x7. Okay, and the distance from this one to this is c minus x. ከዚህ c ከሆነ ከዚች x ከሆነች የቀረችው c minus x ትሆናለች. this one is c minus x. ከዚህ c minus x ነው፣ ከዚህ x ነው, and in this case እችኛዋ a ናት፣ ከዚህ a ቢሆን እችኛዋ ደግሞ h. ስለዚህ from this one how can we get area is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b times s minus c. ስለዚህ አሁን ከዚህ ላይ ሁለት right angle triangle አለ, that is ለምሳሌ ይሄኛው a, ይሄ b, this one is c, this one is e ቢሆን, okay, triangle abc is right angle triangle, and triangle BCE is a right angle triangle. Now, when we consider triangle ABC, okay, triangle ABC consider another, it's a right angle triangle, and when you use Pythagoras theorem, that is x square plus h square is equal to a square. And that means chino and hypotenuse. Just this one as consider one. And when we consider this one again it's a right angle triangle, and c minus x is the whole square plus h square is equal to b square. Just consider this one as 2 plus h square is equal to b square, c minus x is the whole square plus h square is equal to b square on it. Now let's solve this for h. Okay, ከሁለቱም ላይ ለh solve ብናደርግ እስቲ, that is okay h square is equal to a square minus x square ይሆናል. a square minus x square ይሆናል. this one ከዚህኛው ከሁለተኛው ላይ ደግሞ, and from the second one h square is equal to b square minus c minus x the whole square. From one ከአንደኛው ላይ h square is equal to a square minus x square ይሆናል። ከሁለተኛው ላይ h square is equal to b square minus c minus x the whole square ይሆናል። Now h square is equal to h square, that means a square minus x square is equal to b square minus c minus x the whole square ይሆናል ማለት ነው። h square እና h square ስለሚሆን that is a square minus x square is equal to b square minus c minus x the whole square. And from this one, a square minus x square is equal to b square minus c minus x the whole square is c square minus 2cx plus x square. And this is the same with a square minus x square is equal to b square minus distribute minus c square plus 2cx minus x square ይሆናል። Now minus x square ወደዛ ትራንስፈር ባናደርግ this one cancel by this one, then collect this one to this side, that is a square ወደዚህ ብናመጣ plus c square ወደዚህ ብናመጣ ማይነስ ቢ ስኩዌር ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 2cx ይመጣል። ቢኮዝ ማይነስ ኤክስ ስኩዌር ወደዛ ተዋሳለ ፕላስ ኤክስ ስኩዌር ይሆናል። ፕላስ ኤክስ ስኩዌር እና ማይነስ ኤክስ ስኩዌር ይጣፋል። ዴን ቦth ሳይድ ዲቫይድ ባይ 2c divided by 2c divided by 2c. This one is cancelled. X is equal to a square plus c square minus b square over 2c. Now, now value in equation 1 like substitute. That is equation 1 is x square plus h square is equal to a square. So replace this value onto this one. That is a square plus c square minus b square over 2c okay, therefore a square plus h square is equal to a square method. Now and this is the same way from this one. H square is equal to a square minus chino a square plus c square minus b square over 2c the whole square. And this is the same way is h square is equal to a square minus a square plus c square minus b square the whole square over 4c square method. So over 1 crisscross is the same with 4 a square c square minus into a square plus c square minus b square the whole square over 4c square ይመጣል። Now ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን? ይሄንን this is the same with for a square c square ማለት that is 2ac the whole square minus a square plus c square minus b square the whole square over 4c the whole 4c square. And this is 2ac square minus this one square. A square minus b square ከሆነ a minus b a plus b ማድረግ እንችላለን። that is h square is equal to 2ac minus a square plus c square minus b square እንዲሆንና እንደገና ደግሞ 2ac መጀመሪያ ማይነስ አደረግ ከዛ ፕላስ እናደርጋለን ፕላስ a square plus c square minus b square ይሆናል over 4c square. that just ይሄንን ኮንሲደር a ብናደርግ b ብንል a square minus b square ይሆናል a minus b a plus b ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ this is the same with ችኛውን ስናሰራቸው ለዚህ that is h square is equal to 2ac minus a square minus c square minus c square plus b square times 2ac plus a square plus c square 2ac plus a square plus c square minus b square over 4c square. Now again this is the same is as equal to እችኛው ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን? ኦኬ እችኛው ወደዚህ ብናመጣ b square እችን ወደዚህ ብናመጣ minus into a square plus c square minus 2ac እንዲህ ማድረግ እንችላለን። that is minus times a square is minus a square, minus times c is minus c square, minus times minus is plus ይሆናል። ለምንድን ነው እችኛዋ a square plus c square minus 2ac ማለት a minus c the whole square ስለሚመጣል and from this one a square plus c square plus 2ac is a plus c the whole square ይመጣል። a plus c the whole square ይመጣል minus b square ይመጣል። Again in this case x square is equal to b square minus a square plus c square minus 2ac is a minus c the whole square ይሆንና into a plus c the whole square minus b square over እዚህ ጋር over 4c square አለ again in this one over 4c square ይመጣል። Now this is the same with h square is equal to a square minus b square form ይዞልናል ይሄ so b square minus ac the whole square ማለት ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን b minus into a minus c times b plus a minus c times እዚህ ጋር ለምሬት ስኳርስ እቺ ወደዚህ ኤክስቴንድ ባደር ይሄኛው ደግሞ a plus c the whole square minus b square ማለት a plus c minus b times a plus c plus b divided by 4c the whole square. Now this is the same with nasarachino b minus a plus c times b plus a minus c times a plus c minus b times a plus c plus b over 4c square that is h square is equal to and we know that s is half of the perimeter that is a plus b plus c over 2 in this case 2 times s is equal to a plus b plus c now from this one h square is equal to b plus c and let me b plus c minus a. Now it's possible to add and subtract just plus 2a minus 2a plus 2a minus 2a is 0 ለምንድነው እዚህ ጋር minus a plus 2a is 8 ይመጣል ለማድረግ ነው 0 መደመር ዲፈረንስ አምጣ አንድ ይሄ ነው ሁለተኛው b plus a minus c plus 2c minus 2c 0 አደረግኩት doesn't have difference again the final one is a plus c minus b plus 2b minus 3b and this one as it is in Australia is a plus b plus c divided by 4c square. Now this is the same with b plus c minus a plus 2a is b plus c plus a minus 2a and the next one is b plus a plus c minus 2c and again in this case a plus c plus b minus 2b times a plus b plus c over the whole over 4c square. Okay. Now this one is h square, okay? h square. b plus c plus a ማለት that is 2s. h 2s minus 2a times b plus a plus c is 2s minus 2c times a plus c plus b is that 2s minus 2b. a plus b plus c is 2s over 4c square. Now this is the same with h square is equal to የጋራቸው ሁለት ብንወስድ 2 into s minus a 2 into s minus c 2 into s minus b times 2s over 4c square. This is the same with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. 16 into s minus c, s minus b times s over 4c square. This is the same with, okay, by 4y, by 4 no የሚሆነው 4 into s minus a, s minus c, s minus b times s over c square ይመጣል። So from this one is h square. ስለዚህ h is equal to square root of 4 into s minus a, s minus c, s minus b times s over c square. This is the same with h is equal to 4 ከራዲካል ስትወጣ 2 ራዲካል አሬንጅ ብናደርግ s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c over c square that is c ትሆናለች ማለት ነው። ኤችን አግኝተናል። አሁን ትሪያንግሉን ቅድም ስናነሳው ቤዙ ሲ ነበረች። ትሪያንግል እንደዚህ አይነት ትሪያንግል ነበር። እንደዚህ አይነት ትሪያንግል ነበር። እንደዚህ አይነት ትሪያንግል እኩል ሁለት ቦታ ከፍለን እችኛዋን ኤክስ ከሆነች the whole ፓርቱ ከዚህ እስከዚህ ሲ ብለን ከዚህ እስከዚህ ኤ ካል እችኛዋ ቢ ካል ብለን ነበር የጀመረው። እችኛዋ ኤክስ ከሆነች እችኛዋ ደግሞ ሲ ማይነስ ኤክስ። እችኛዋ the whole ፓርቱ ቤዝ ትሆናለች። እችኛዋ ሄድ ትሆናለች። ኤሪያ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? ኖርማሊ ኤሪያ ኢኳል ቱ 1 over 2 ቤዝ ታይምስ ሄድ ነው የሚሆነው። this is equal to 1 over 2 ቤዙ ሲ ነው። that is ሄድ ይሆናል። this is the same with okay ከዚህ ላይ አሁን እንግዲህ ምንድን ነው የምናደርገው? ኤሪያ is equal to 1 over 2 ቤዙ ሲ ነው። ሄቱ ደግሞ የትኛው ነው የሚሆነው? this one that is 2 radical s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c over c ነው የሚሆነው። and in this case 2 cancel by 2, c cancel by c, area is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so by pythagoras theorem በዚህ ወይ ፕሩፍ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሄሮንስ ፎርሙላ። Thank you.